Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick talk about something happening today. If anybody still has a Lumia phone or one of those Windows 10 mobile phones, or smartphones, it's the end of support today. You will get your last security updates today, Tuesday, December 10th, 2019. That was already announced in advance. And, that means that starting from now, no more security updates for you guys. If you're still using a Windows 10 mobile, I think it's time to think about the future and what exactly you want of that future. Because, unfortunately, that future means that you will be less and less secure as no more security updates will be on the system. It's really sad because it's a system that pretty much everybody that I actually I've seen own one of these Lumia devices and these Windows mobile devices seem to have really, really loved their device. And it's sad to see that this, unfortunately, is going away. It would have been nice and very different if Microsoft would have pushed a little harder. I mean, when they were at 3%, 4% was not a lot, but maybe they could have pushed it a little harder, but they decided to abandon. And, I like competition, and I think there would have been a place for Windows 10 Mobile in the ecosystem. Would have been nice to have more than two choices, because that's pretty much what we're left with. Either have an iPhone or an Android phone. Two choices. Now, yes, the diversity of Android phone is nice because there's a lot of different variants and a lot of different, handsets. But still, if you take it to the basic form, you're simply left with Android versus Apple devices. And that is kind of sad. Would have been nice to have a little more competition here. They had a big chance, they purchased Nokia. Man, Nokia was at some point top of the smartphone market. Sad that they couldn't do anything with it. Really sad. So, bye-bye Windows 10 Mobile. It was a nice moment where maybe something could have happened, but nothing ever did. So, if you do have and still use a Lumia phone or any Windows or any phone that is a Windows mobile phone running Windows 10, unfortunately, you need to think about the future and possibly get something else if you want to stay safe. I'm not sure, but there's probably not a lot of people out there still using it. But today's your last chance of getting updates. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.